Kadu.
Agualamna onye, Ike Gabia.
The chief says he knew you would come.
Libby Libby, wa! Chim chimney, chim chim chiroo! Hi!
Keono overdo, Inasu.
The chief says he has not understood the dialect you're using.
Tell him I'm happy to meet him, and that his sacred bat is as good as found.
Asolam name folugi afalu usu. Oh my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
Really?
Oh, this is the chief's son, Auda. The missionaries came through and taught him a spot of English.
I like you.
Come on. Aren't I the popular one? Allow me to display my affection. It is the mucus that binds us.
Baba Obi.
The chief says that the sacred hut is over there.
How did they get past the guard?
Well, I'm afraid he was found shortly after, sleeping.
At ease, soldier. We all make mistakes. Quite an auspicious dwelling for a filthy flying weasel.
Alashikaka! Please, Mr. Ventura. That is sacred ground. I'm sorry. But only the Wachati are allowed to step there.
Hey, take it easy. I'm the Luki guy, remember?
Walonoko, Apuluindi Wachati. Obelano, Wichitali, also aso Tupua Daisy, Ano di Indi Wachati, Ninega.
Yes, Chief. Thank you. Thank you. The chief says that unless the sacred bat is returned before the marriage of the princess, the entire Wachati tribe will meet their death.
What type of bat are we talking about here?
The great white bat, of course.
Crepuscular Chirapera.
Yes, but to the natives, Shikaka.
Shakaka. Shakaka. Shikasha. Shish kebab. Shawshank Redemption. Chicago! You're out of there! Go on. You're gone. Go on.